All right, so we got our 690 here, KTM 690 Enduro R, and the headlight thing on this thing is broken. So on the bottom of the headlight, right here, you've got two little holes right there, and those correspond to these guys here that look to be broken off. And so I assume that on the fender part of the bike, originally there were two little nubs that stuck up here that went on that fit into the headlight up here. So, and it makes sense that those would break off in some accident or whatever if you knocked the bike, hit it the right way. So I'm gonna see if I can either pop these out, if that's possible, or just drill this out and put in something else here to make this work. Because currently the headlight doesn't really line up the way it's supposed to. Because if you just stick it up here and screw it screws in on either side. If you do that, it tends to be off slightly one way or another or whatever. And so those little nubs down here are important in terms of the actual headlight alignment to get this thing to line up the way it's supposed to, make it go straight. Yeah, maybe you can see better now, these little guys here. But basically what I want to do is I'm going to use this 10mm bolt and drill this thing out to fit in there, because this will fit perfectly inside that headlight if I wrap it in a little bit of shrink wrap. And it will fit nice and snugly in there. So that's our goal. And so yeah, let's get drilling. And I don't know if this is the right length or not in terms of bolt, but there, now they stick out just a little bit there. That should be enough. I'm going to test fit this, and then if it works, if these are long enough, I'll just go with this. I'll put some heat shrink on there, and we will be good to go. All right, so these look like they'll be long enough. So this one I've already shrunk. Stick that one on there. This one I need to shrink still. Stick that on. All right, so let's go ahead and reinstall this guy, and then we'll see if our headlight fix works or not. The downside of this is that previously these were little plastic nubs, and those were the weak point, and they maybe are designed to break, whereas now they're metal and they are the strong point. And so the next likely thing to break would be the headlight instead. So it may be cheaper to replace the fender than the headlight. But if it were me, I would get rid of this whole unit instead. I would put in a custom thing, but that's just me. But they do sell aftermarket kits for this bike, which are pretty cool for doing these like little rally headlights and stuff on there, which... All right. Although this bike does have a nice LED headlight upgrade on it. Somebody swapped the bulb out on it. One of the previous owners did that. It's pretty... It is a decent headlight for sure. I think we fixed it.